Should we draw the diagram?
Yeah. Quick.
So what did you scratch there? We don't need to know that. Hello?
1 minute. No, that is, you need to know that, write that. Have you all made this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
that angle is 11.5 degrees, is it?
yeah.
Okay.
So copied, right? So I can explain. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the geographic North Pole. Okay. North Pole मतलब जो geographic North Pole होता है. That means the accepted North Pole. Okay. Okay.
So what?
This.
So could you repeat?
This is the geographic North Pole. Okay.
Okay.
And BB is the geographical equatorial line.
Okay.
1 second. Let me explain. This line. This line is the geographical
North to south.
yeah, North Pole to South Pole, and
That's the
this line is a geographical equator. Then you have your magnetic thing, which is tilt like this. Okay. Don't confuse
But
this
doesn't it
tilt.
coincide?
1 second. Don't confuse that tilt with the tilt of Earth.
Rip, I was just associating with that.
So you have in your geography learned that this is the tilt of Earth, right? This is not that tilt, because that tilt is 23 degrees. Okay.
So it's like half. It's like half.
Yeah, but this
It's
is
like
not
16.
the same. This is not the same tilt. This tilt is that the Earth is tilted. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Axis of rotation.
Pardon?
Axis of rotation.
1 minute. Like, then I just want to clarify something. Does that mean that this is 11.5?
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. That means that means that this red line is the red line in this.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the north to south thing.
1 second.
Makes sense actually.
So, sir, if we were to paint over an earth on the diagram, it would just be a normal, like, it's 90 degrees earth.
What?
Yeah,
So-
again, ask again.
So if we were to paint an earth on this diagram over here, it would be just straight 90 degrees.
Yeah, it will be straight 90 degrees.
Okay.
This is equator, right? The blue line is the equator. So
Yes.
again, see, this red line in this diagram is this red line in this diagram, okay?
So it's the RR line, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
like,
RR line is this line, okay? So this is not the tilt of earth ka oblique tilt, because of oblique tilt, what happens? The geography wala. उस tilt की वजह से क्या क्या होता है?
Day and night.
Day and night नहीं होता, day and night ऐसे भी
that's
होता
because
है.
of rotation.
seasons.
No, I mean, but the angle must
होता
play
है.
some
Season होता
role
है.
in the
Yeah.
बिल्कुल geography नहीं पढ़ी.
Isn't
Seasons
season
होता है
for
उस tilt की वजह से, ठीक है?
revolution. Okay, all right.
सही में यार, ठीक है. ओके, तो ये वाला टिल्ट क्या है कि जो मैग्नेट है ना, अब देखो तुमने पढ़ा हुआ है, तुमने अगर ये पढ़ा हुआ है बेटा कि अगर ये अर्थ है तो अगर तुमको एक कंपास लेके जाओगे, कंपास यहाँ पे तुम रखोगे तो वो इस तरफ दिखाएगा ना, टुवर्ड्स दिस नॉर्थ, है ना?
Yeah, correct.
तो ये कंपास नॉर्थ दिखाएगा, कंपास नॉर्थ दिखाएगा, कंपास नॉर्थ दिखाएगा. तो
Mm-hmm.
एक्चुअली जो अर्थ का जो मैग्नेट है, अर्थ का मैग्नेट ऐसा होता है कि वो ऐसे साउथ नॉर्थ वाला है, ठीक है? कि साउथ इधर है और नॉर्थ इधर है.
Why is it at an angle?
हाँ, वो है एंगल पे, वो एंगल पे है बस. और ये एंगल चेंज भी होता रहता है विद सेंचुरीज. तो ऐसे भी बोला जाता है कि आफ्टर मिलियंस ऑफ इयर्स अर्थ का ये रोटेशन चेंज हो जाएगा, मतलब नॉर्थ इधर आ जाएगा एक्चुअल और साउथ इधर आ जाएगा,
Mad.
ठीक है? मिलियंस ऑफ
Yeah.
इयर्स. ओके, तो क्या है कि व्हाट्स अब नाउ सी दिस.
Sir, I can't hear.
See, this is north. Red is the north pole, and green is the south pole. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and the magnet needle is north. The red is the north one. Okay.
Okay.
So see where will it will point? Like now point कहाँ करता है? ये away करता है ना from the magnetic north.
Just with the red is the north, right? Just the
Yeah, every
needle?
red is north.
Okay, thank you.
ये किस तरफ जा रहा है अभी? Arrow direction.
Straight. I mean, with a little tilt.
Left बोल दो ना.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, yeah,
Left
R,
जा रहा
yeah.
है.
I was gonna say
Left
west,
जा रहा है
but yeah, okay.
अभी देखो और थोड़ा सा आगे लेके जाएगा. अभी तो उठाना लेके जाना. हाँ ये देखो दिख रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे किस तरफ जा रहा है?
Right.
Isn't this
तरफ
the
जा रहा है ना?
Oysters experiment?
हाँ वही है. फिर इधर कैसे जा रहा है? ऐसे जा रहा है ना? ऐसा समझ में आया? और फिर इधर कैसे जा रहा है? ऐसे जा रहा है. एक्चुअली वो जा कैसे रहा है? वो जा ऐसे रहा है कि द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन ऐसी है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
ऐसी है ना, नॉर्थ टू साउथ.
Yeah.
तो बस इट इज अलाइनिंग इटसेल्फ इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. दैट्स इट. ओके?
We already know that.
हाँ, you already know this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now so you have to take care that the magnetic field lines outside the magnet are going from north to south.
Inside from south to north.
South to north.
Inside
Yeah.
from south to north, or therefore the magnet needle is actually pointing towards the magnetic south always.
Yeah.
Tangentially, yeah, okay.
Yes. So this is a compass, right? This is a compass which you have. कभी स्कूल में compass से खेला है तुमने? compass है तुम्हारे पास? वो वाला compass नहीं, जो ये वाला compass तुम्हारे पास है घर पे? किसी के पास भी है compass? कहीं भी देखा है तुमने?
It's
I
on my
had
phone
one
right
I
now.
used to have.
I think.
हाँ तो बेटा
Can't find mine.
तुमको हमेशा दिमाग में ये भरा रहता है ना कि compass points towards north, compass points towards north.
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे compass किस तरफ दिखा रहा है?
South.
South.
So Earth's magnetic.
हाँ
Yeah,
तो
towards
actually-
Earth magnetic south, yeah.
हाँ the earth तो नहीं नहीं, ये एक्चुअल मैग्नेटिक साउथ है. कंपास पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स
Magnetic south, geographic south.
south, which is magnetic south, but it is the geographical north of the earth. Okay, तो ये अर्थ का जो geographical north है, यहाँ पे आपका magnetic south है. ठीक है?
But in millions of years that change.
That will change. Yes, then compasses will also change, or you could just reverse it.
But so wait, if this magnet changes, then but the Earth, North Pole and South Pole remain the same, right?
अरे एक तो रेफरेंस लोगे ना तुम. अगर इस मैग्नेट को कल को ऐसे कर दो तो ये एंगल का रेफरेंस बोलोगे ना, ये एंगल बढ़ गया ना.
Yeah, but this is still north, right?
What?
The Earth's north and south pole don't change.
या वो तो एक वो तो हमने डिफाइन करके रखा है ना. वो तो इससे होता है ना कि रोटेशन किसके अबाउट हो रहा है.
Okay.
रोटेशन किसके अबाउट हो रहा है, वो नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल है ना. आई होप आई डोंट नो. हाँ.
Like why doesn't it coincide?
Why doesn't it coincide? वो that I don't know.
Okay, fine. Okay, now if you keep a magnet like over here.
But you Google it afterwards, okay?
Yeah, okay. Listen, so if you put a magnet over here, then like why doesn't the compass like point like this? And why does it point like this? Like you get what I'm trying to say?
No,
like if you keep a compass.
Ask again.
Okay. So if you keep a compass here, like
at this point.
Yeah, at this point. Okay.
You are asking कि सर वो ऐसे क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा और ऐसे क्यों दिखा रहा है?
No, she's saying that sir it's tilted, right? So it's supposed to point over the south, but we get the 90-degree like straight.
Yeah, like straight towards the north pole.
I don't understand.
If you stand at the south pole, then the compass points directly south. It points downwards.
Yeah, to the north. And not.
Why isn't it repelled by the north pole?
1 second. Okay.
Like by the magnetic north.
Someone annotate and tell me.
Okay, sir. If I keep a compass where M is geomagnetic south.
Okay, यहाँ पे.
If I keep a compass there, it points straight down towards the north pole.
It points straight down towards the. No, I mean
up, right?
This will not see. यहाँ पे the compass will actually oscillate. It will not give you any direction.
Right.
If you come just here, it will point like this. Okay.
Right,
actually, it should point out like this. Actually, it should point out like this. Right? That you agree, right?
Yeah.
And
but a compass can't point upward.
हाँ, exactly. We'll discuss why. But अभी theoretically तुम ये बोलो कि हाँ compass ऐसे point करे. इसमें तो doubt नहीं है. अनुष्का का doubt clear हुआ कि?
No. Okay,
that was
my
not
doubt
her
is
question,
so assume this is the earth and you're standing on the earth over here, okay? So now you have a compass. So
कहाँ?
You can't see it?
No, are you standing at the center? I mean.
No, just anywhere on the earth in
Okay.
general, okay? So and then there's a compass, okay? Like there's a compass. So now this is north. 1 second. This is north and this is south. So why does the
north
compass
कौन सा north है ये geographical north है.
Geographic north. Why does the compass point like directly towards north and not like a little tilted? Like you get what I'm trying to say? Like because this is a magnetic north. I mean, yeah.
Okay, you are saying कि sir, why does the compass is showing towards the geographical north and not at this point?
Yeah, exactly.
No,
like magnetic south.
ये x and y, you are saying sir, why? How can it show y? It should show x, right?
Yeah.
It shows x.
Oh, okay, fine.
It shows x. That means when you're very far from the North Pole, you can try to reach North Pole. But if you're very close to the North Pole, you will not reach at the actual North Pole. You will reach here, that point x, right?
Oh, okay.
From very far, x and y points are very close, right? So suppose you are sailing in the Indian Ocean and you want to go to the North Pole, then you can use compass, okay?
Yeah.
You want to reach point y, you can use compass. But as soon as you reach Norway, and then if you use compass, you will reach this point x.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
So how far away is x and y?
देख लो, निकाल लो ना. 11.5 डिग्री है. S equal to r theta, right?
Yeah, what is the radius?
Radius is 6400 किलोमीटर. Into इसको convert करना पड़ेगा तुमको रेडियन में ना. Theta, ये equation is in radian. So 6400 किलोमीटर into r तो हो गया theta. Theta is radian. डिग्री को रेडियन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? Pi radian is 180 डिग्री. So 1 degree is pi by 180 radian ना. 1 degree is pi by 180. So pi divided by
11.5 into
180
pi by 180
into 11.5 ना. ये आंसर है. निकाल. 6400 into
64 into 115 by
divided by
80.
180 into 11.5. So it is 1284 kilometers.
Wait, what do you say?
1284 kilometers approximately. The
Damn.
distance. Okay. It is not much. 1000 kilometer is like very less.
But like, if you want to go to the North Pole, then
Yeah.
you're quite far off.
I hope I remember this when I get there one day.
Yeah.
Goals.
Who was the first person?
So, but like, if it's pointing everyone off, then won't people say that? Then won't the geographical north change?
What if it's pointing everyone?
Like, if everyone goes to that spot which is like
भाई नॉर्थ पोल जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि नॉर्थ पोल जा रहे हैं तो हम ये पॉइंट नहीं बोलते हैं, ये पॉइंट एक्स नहीं बोलते हैं.
I know, but everyone will get pointed to X, right?
तुमको किसने बोला कि नॉर्थ पोल जब जाओगे तो तुम मैग्नेट की मदद से कंपास लेके जाओगे? नहीं जाओगे कंपास.
Imagine just checking on one compass throughout it is going.
कंपास लेके पहुंचोगे. कंपास लेके तुम नॉर्थ पोल एक्स वाई पे नहीं पहुंच सकते. अग्रीड?
Yeah, that's
हाँ,
what.
तो कंपास लेके नहीं जाते हैं, और कैसे जाते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, पर कंपास लेके नहीं जाते हैं.
So then shouldn't the geographical north match with the geomagnetic north?
कैसे होगा जब ये टिल्टेड है तो?
In south, whatever.
तो टिल्टेड है तो कैसे होगा, ये पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
Fine, why is it tilted then?
वो मुझे नहीं पता.
Can you search for it?
I'm not right now.
Bruh.
Also, sir, I have one more doubt. Can you go back to the original Earth, like a normal Earth diagram, the pole, tilt and everything? Actually, I don't need that. Hold on. So, in the axis of tilt that we have, the 23.5 degree tilt, does the...
That is geographic.
I'll annotate. So,
अरे किसने बोला था ना ये और tilted है ऐसा?
From here
I said
or
that.
इधर
here?
इस तरफ tilted है, this side.
Outside?
Yeah.
It'll be outside for one, it'll be inside for the other, bro.
No. It will be outside for both.
नहीं, outside for both होगा ना, मतलब
yeah, okay, fine, correct, yeah, outside, yeah, correct.
Okay. अभी ये देखो बेटा, ये जो, अच्छा एक चीज और बतानी थी, इसमें क्या बतानी थी, मैं जियोग्राफिक मेरिडियन. हाँ देखो, जियोग्राफिक मेरिडियन क्या होता है, वो ये जियोग्राफिक मेरिडियन एंड मैग्नेटिक मेरिडियन, अभी गलत लिखा है क्या इसमें? हाँ, in imaginary vertical plane at the place of the earth containing the longitude circle and the geographic axis of earth is called the geographic meridian. मतलब कौन सा लाइन है देखो, geographic meridian और imaginary vertical. हाँ RR1 है, उसने गलती से दिखा दिया है. हाँ यही है जियो. हाँ देखो, geographic meridian कौन सा plane है, containing the axis of RR. ठीक है,
It's a circle, right?
हाँ it's a circle. मतलब हाँ, actually that plane is circular on the earth, right? तो plane बोला है, vertical plane. That plane is actually circular on the earth, right?
If you see it from the other side, if you see perpendicularly.
यहाँ से देखोगे तो ना.
Yeah.
है ना, तो वो plane है ना, that is geographic meridian, okay? और magnetic meridian क्या है, वो वाला, ये वाला plane, okay? To understand it easily, you can simply say these magnetic lines, okay? Because we will be talking about angle between them, and for that, taking a line is enough, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, अब एक चीज देखो, declination ये सब बताना था ना.
Wait, so what's the other one? Geographic meridian, and the other one is?
Geomagnetic.
Okay.
Geomagnetic और just magnetic, okay? तो देखो, magnetic declination देखो क्या होता है. मैंने अभी तुमको बताया कि अगर तुम इंडियन ओशियन में हो तो तुम्हारे लिए ट्रू नॉर्थ पोल और द मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ पोल ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है ना.
Yeah.
समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर तुम कहाँ पर हो, अगर तुम एकदम नॉर्थ पोल के पास में हो, तब बहुत फर्क है.
Yeah, there's a lot.
बहुत डिफरेंस है ना. तो ये जो लाइन तुम यहाँ पे खड़े हो, तुम अगर ट्रू नॉर्थ को देखते हो, जियोग्राफिक नॉर्थ को, तो ऐसा दिखता है, ठीक है? और अगर मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ को देखते हो तो ऐसा दिखता है. इनके बीच में जो एंगल होता है ना, इसको बोलते हैं एंगल ऑफ डेक्लिनेशन डी. ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं? एंगल ऑफ डेक्लिनेशन. डेक्लिनेशन ज्यादा कहाँ होगा? दिल्ली में ज्यादा होगा कि ऑस्लो में ज्यादा होगा? ऑस्लो नॉर्वे में है. ठीक है, या फिर
Wait, 1 second, sir. So a magnetic meridian is the plane along that right? The geomagnetic North Pole and South Pole, right? Then how is the declination?
देखो इस डायग्राम को, सी दिस डायग्राम. ये रेडियोड मैग्नेटिक वो है, ठीक है, और ये वाला मैग्नेटिक मेरिडियन है, वो मैग्नेटिक मेरिडियन है.
Yeah, shouldn't be 11.5 only.
What? No, it depends from different points on the earth. It will be different.
Oh,
right?
like.
देखो ये वाला जो A जा रहा है, ये किस तरफ जा रहा है? ध्यान से देखो, A लाइन उस तरफ जा रही है जिस तरफ ट्रू नॉर्थ पोल है. ठीक है, और B लाइन जा रही है जिस तरफ मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ पोल है. तो ये तो चेंज होगा ना हर पॉइंट पे. This angle between them should be changed, right?
The angle between that. Oh, okay, got it.
तो इसका मतलब है, देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. अब देखो ये वाला देखो 0.58 डिग्री, 0.58 डिग्री. और ये देखो यहाँ पे देखो, ये लिखो डेक्लिनेशन इज लार्जर एट हायर एल्टीट्यूड एंड स्मॉलर नियर. देखो ये लिख लो. और
so the 11.5 value, that was the declination value, right?
अरे नहीं यार, 11.5 तो परमानेंट टिल्ट है.
Okay, all right.
So that is permanent tilt.
Okay, fine.
ये लिखो पहले.
So you told us to write some latitude thing, no?
पहले ये लिखो magnetic declination definition.
Yeah, okay, I wrote that.
So, over here the definition's written the angle between magnetic meridian and geographic meridian. Shouldn't the angle between magnetic meridian and geographic meridian be 11.5?
No. Meridians, you don't understand meridians. Meridian देखो क्या है? देखो एक प्लेस है, सपोज एक रैंडम प्लेस ऑन द अर्थ. Imaginary vertical plane at a place on the earth passing through the magnetic axis and containing magnetic field lines is called magnetic meridian place. So the magnetic meridian at a place is place dependent.
Oh, sir, I think I know how to answer that question. I think it's 11.5 only at the center of the earth. If you go somewhere else, then it'll be different. At the center
that will be changed, right? Yeah.
So it is an angle of declination, but
at some point,
at the center of the earth, and that is like considered the reference value or something.
Yes.
So you're telling that the plane shifts sort of thing according to your position.
Yeah.
I'm not able to imagine.
The plane won't shift, right? How
forget this meridian? Forget this meridian thing. I'm telling you that you have to write meridian. Okay, you have to write meridian. But think only of this diagram.
Okay.
This is geographic north. This is the magnetic north. Magnetic meridian hata do, north hata do. Okay? And then answer every question on magnetic declination thinking like this diagram. Okay?
Fine.
Okay. If this is true, then but write this definition only. Okay? Angle between blue definition.
Okay? So can you go down now? I was copying the
blue
latitude thing.
Okay. Now
angle of declination is higher at higher latitudes.
Yeah. ये लिख लो.
This is dip angle now. Same thing.
No. Dip angle दूसरा है. वो दूसरा बताऊंगा मैं.
How can they say accurately?
क्या?
That's not accurate.
अरे that is really, this is less than 1 degree.
Yeah, but that's still not accurate if you think about it.
No, it's precise. It's not accurate.
Oh yeah, there was a thing, no, that
Yeah.
accurate thing.
Precision is the degree to which you can chop it down. Accuracy is how close to the mean, to the actual correct mean value it is. Or rather, how close to the mean.
Accurate will be like 0, 0, like 0 degrees, like exact 0.
Okay.
Whack.
Okay. अभी what is magnetic dip और inclination क्या होता है सुनो. अब देखो यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले तुमको बताया था कि इस पॉइंट पे जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगी वो ऐसे होगी ना.
Yes.
और इस पॉइंट पे नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऐसे होगी, ठीक है.
Yeah.
मतलब मैग्नेटिक नीडल इसको तुमको ऐसे यहाँ दिखाना चाहिए ना. If you draw a diagram of a man standing at point A or point B, a man standing on point A will see the magnetic field like this. Right? This is the Earth's surface. Yes or no?
But won't B also see it like that at his?
हाँ, B का भी A का थोड़ा ज्यादा है और B के जगह पे थोड़ा सा.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yeah.
Actually, wait, repeat the example.
No, this is basically angle of declination, no?
हाँ. नहीं ये नहीं है declination. गधे. क्या बोल रहे हो? ये declination हो गया है. खत्म declination. यहाँ
पे. Is it showing the deflection of the needle depending on the position?
अरे declination हो चुका है. Declination है कि वहां से यहाँ से इस आदमी को नॉर्थ पोल और ट्रू नॉर्थ और ज्योग्राफिकल नॉर्थ में क्या डिफरेंस दिखता है? ये वाला डेक्लिनेशन.
Oh yeah, correct, yeah.
ये
this
डेक्लिनेशन.
is both true north.
हाँ.
So from Delhi, shouldn't it be more?
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Delhi should be more, but फिर वो भी डिपेंड करता है कि एक्चुअली ट्रू नॉर्थ और वो किधर है. ट्रू नॉर्थ और वो किधर है, तो उसके हिसाब से भी मैटर करता है ना. सपोज तुम ये बोल रहे हो ना कि वो दिल्ली ज्यादा ऊपर है.
Yeah.
तो सिर्फ हाइट से मैटर नहीं करता, ये भी तो मैटर करता है कि तुम एक्स में कहां पर, एक्स पे कहां पर हो. क्योंकि सपोज ये अर्थ है और ये ऐसे दो पॉइंट है, तो तुम एक्स में भी कहां पर, उससे भी तो फर्क पड़ता है ना. ये एंगल बीच में कैसा है. these two angles.
Okay, fine.
These two angles depend on the x also, right?
Yeah.
है ना?
Got it.
But your counter questioning is good. Okay. So इधर देखो, इधर पे देखो. अगर जैसे एक आदमी यहाँ पे खड़ा है, ठीक है, तो उस आदमी को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो है ना, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को यह पिंक वाले आदमी को ना ऐसे दिख रही जाते हुए, है कि नहीं? दिख रही नहीं जाते हुए. अच्छा. हर आदमी के लिए जो नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वेक्टर है, वो उसका जो एंगल है ना, इसके साथ, किसके, हॉरिजॉन्टल के साथ, नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का एंगल हॉरिजॉन्टल के साथ, उसको बोलते हैं हम एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन और डिप. ओके.
Wait, what horizontal? Like
the specified horizontal at that point, or you can say the tangent at that point.
Is it like to his eye level or like what?
To the ground level. देखो ना, जैसे इस पॉइंट पे ना टेंजेंट ऐसे होगा, है ना, इस पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट ऐसे होगा, तो इस पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट ऐसे होगा. जहां पे भी ग्राउंड लेवल, आई लेवल बोल लो तुम, होराइजन बोलो, होराइजन, आई लेवल भी बोल सकते हो.
Can you just mark like in that same diagram where you mark the pink tangents where the thing will be pointing?
देखो बता देता हूँ. सपोज ये पॉइंट है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. इस पॉइंट पे एक आदमी खड़ा है जो ऐसा खड़ा है, ठीक है. हाँ. तो उस आदमी का जो टेंजेंट है वो सीधे दिखता है, तो ऐसे दिखता है वो, ठीक है. सो द टेंजेंट इज लाइक दिस.
But just draw it to the circle. Just draw it to the circle.
ये है ना टेंजेंट. जब वो आदमी देखता है, लेकिन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड उसको ऐसे दिखाई देती है, ऐसी इस डायरेक्शन में ना.
Okay, that angle.
है ना, क्योंकि ये देखो, ये जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो यहाँ से आ रही थी ना, ये वाली आ रही थी, और ऐसे जा रही है ना. समझ में आ गया? तो इसका मतलब है कि उसको, अगर उसका मैग्नेट, मतलब मैग्नेट तो 2D डिवाइस होता है ना. मैग्नेट इज अ प्लेन पे 2D डिवाइस होता है, लेकिन अगर 3D मैग्नेट होता तो उसको जमीन के अंदर जाते हुए दिखता ना. तुम ऐसे खड़े हो, और इसीलिए मैग्नेट 2D डिवाइस होता है. अगर 3D होगा ना तो काम नहीं चलेगा अपना. समझ में आया? तो वो ऐसा दिखाता है, उसका हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट को दिखा देता है, ठीक है. अच्छा, ये बात समझ में आ रही है कि जो वर्टिकल ये जो नेट कंपोनेंट है बी का, दिस इज द नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट दिस पॉइंट, उसका ये जो एंगल है ना, इस एंगल को बोलते हैं एंगल ऑफ डिप. ओके. देखो, ये कहीं कहीं पर तो ये जमीन के नीचे जा रहा है, हॉरिजॉन से नीचे जा रहा है, और इस पॉइंट पे जमीन के ऊपर जा रहा है ना.
Yeah.
तो कहीं कहीं पे ये ऐसा होता है तो इसको तब बोलते हैं एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन. ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं? इंक्लिनेशन. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया कि नहीं?
So upward, so it can go up or down, but with respect to the eye level, it's
हाँ,
the dip,
हाँ,
okay, or the
हाँ.
inclination. Okay.
तो जो भी हम बोल, डेक्लिनेशन नहीं, फिर गलत मत करना. डेक्लिनेशन पे ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ.
Yeah, I said dip or inclination.
हाँ, डिप और इंक्लिनेशन. तो जब ये नीचे होता है तो डिप बोलते हैं, जब ऊपर होता है तो इंक्लिनेशन बोलते हैं. लेकिन इसलिए दोनों को वी यूज दिस बोथ टर्म इंटरचेंजेबली बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज से कि हॉरिजॉन से कितना एंगल. ठीक है, ओके.
So,
या
like, how do you get like the angle pointing? I mean, like this way. Like, I'm not able to visualize.
अरे यहाँ पे टेंजेंट है, जो आदमी यहाँ खड़ा है ना, आदमी
Yeah.
अगर यहाँ खड़ा है यहाँ पे,
Hmm.
तो उसका आई लेवल हॉराइजन तो ऐसा होगा ना, टेंजेंट.
Yeah, fine.
तो
But
उसको
like, I
सीधे
mean, like, why is it pointing like outside? Shouldn't it be pointing towards the earth?
कैसे हो सकता है? यहाँ पे लाइन ऐसी बन रही है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन ऐसी बन रही है. ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा गया?
Oh, you're
Magnetic field
looking
line
at the
ऐसे बन,
magnetic field lines
हाँ,
and then talking. Okay.
हाँ. मैग्नेट नीडल does not know where is the earth. It only knows magnetic field lines. It will point in the direction of magnetic field line.
Okay, got it.
1 second. ये लगाओ ना इसको.
यार ये तो मस्त है यार. क्या आइडिया है तेरा? क्या आइडिया है तेरा? ये काम तो कर रहा है.
Someone's got some ideas.
Okay.
So do you have brothers or do you have roommates or what?
Same thing.
Damn.
So you got to
Okay.
explain what happened. What's some must idea or something?
Yeah, sir.
Hydrogen bomb in the toilet.
See. So Anushka, you understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that pause was because sir was considering the idea.
Okay, so you write this. And then you make this also. Sorry, this diagram.
Yo, that looks cool. Personally, I prefer this diagram over the last one. This looks very cool.
And this looks like the Spider-Verse thing. I don't know how many of you guys can
Sure.
relate.
I mean,
No. Spider-Man, gay superhero.
What? You're gonna start a feud.
dude, Spider-Man is kind of childish. Not gonna lie. There's nothing interesting about his story.
Mad.
Seriously,
Mad.
no. Tell me something that isn't cliche.
अबे इधर बना लो, लिख लो, बना लो, ठीक है? बाद में लड़ाई करना.
Then what is like tragic for you? Like what, Batman?
Batman's story is better than Spider-Man's, bro. Come on.
Definitely.
I
Any day.
agree. But
The way they portray the story is not good, but his story is better.
you won't call the character gay to like, I mean, I don't think.
Yeah, that and all I won't say. Sir,
Have you heard of Junior G?
Who
Sorry,
is
what?
that now? Is that a Parle G dude? Just
Junior
asking.
G. Yeah, he eats Parle G and he becomes strong.
Ah,
Damn.
what a guess.
Is he still short, chubby, and like with those really round fingers?
No.
And does he still come out in the Parle-G ads?
Chota Beam, bro. Laddu and
Yeah, bro. Popeye is the OG though.
spinach, bro.
That marketing concept.
Yeah. Popeye the Sailor Man.
But I never watched Popeye. I used to watch like Tom and Jerry, Bob the Builder, I think a little bit. Oswald. That was a good one.
Oh, that was OG. That was fun.
That was not
the
the
octopus.
I like this
Go
dog.
to rule 34 and then search Oswald.
Okay. अब देखो देखो इधर. ये जो डायग्राम है ना, इसमें ये पार्ट भी बहुत गंदा है. हाँ देखो, You have to make, don't make this thing
heavy editing.
Don't make this thing. Just make, no, you make this thing. Banao, pura banao.
Now they just confuse me with their visualization, man. Some square and all the good stuff.
See. This black thing is in the plane of the geographic meridian. मतलब तुम ऐसे यहाँ पे खड़े हो और इस तरफ तुम्हारा नीचे की तरफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जा रहा है, तुम ऐसे खड़े हो यहाँ पे, ठीक है?
Yeah.
और इस तरफ, तो this is called net B. इसका horizontal component is called BH. Okay. Phi is what? Phi is the angle of dip. Yes. And this is BV. BV is equal to B sin phi. Horizontal component is B cos phi. Okay. लिखना लिख लो.
Can you like remove your drawings? I can.
Wait, I'm confused. I understood the dip one, but like, where is the angle of inclination? And declination.
Not visible from this angle.
Okay.
Anushka.
Yeah.
Stand up.
How will I stand up? I mean, like, okay.
I mean, you could push your chair back and stand up. That's how you stand up. Extend your leg.
Yeah, I'm standing.
दिखाओ वीडियो दिखाओ.
Huh?
वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है, रुको एक मिनट. Pause share. Yeah. No, stop share. Yeah, नहीं दिख रहा है.
Bro, I'm copying. Yeah.
चुप करो. Anushka, I can't see you.
You don't have to see me today.
अरे यार, कोई और खड़े हो जाओ.
Amoka, your video is on. Just stand, bro. Make a stand.
Wait, Bob. Standing only.
तुम दिख ही नहीं रहे हो अमोघा यार.
Wait, let me change my background so you can see me.
Arav, you can stand up. You are a good like
Hey,
demonstrative piece.
हाँ.
Okay, हाँ. ये भी खड़ा हो गया, ठीक है? अभी तुमको दिख रहा है ना? मैं मतलब तुमको सुनाई दे रहा है ना अमोघा? अभी ना तुम क्या करो, जैसे कि सपोज जो टीवी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन है ना, वो नॉर्थ पोल है, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
और तुम जब नॉर्थ पोल को देखोगे तो तुम्हारी तरफ देखो, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन जो है ना, वो सीधे नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ तो जा नहीं रही होगी. कैसे जा रही होगी? इट विल बी गोइंग, कैसे जा रही होगी?
उधर
नहीं, हाँ, वो तो उधर इसलिए जा रही है क्योंकि what I am, me in the screen is true north pole, whereas तुम्हारे लैपटॉप के बगल में कुछ रखा है, that is magnetic north pole.
ठीक है. R.D. Sharma geomagnetic.
अच्छा, okay, let's forget about that कि there are two north pole. अभी तुम ये बताओ कि because you are at different points on the equator, जो magnetic field है तुम्हारा, वो net magnetic field किस तरफ जा रहा है? Suppose I am true north pole. The screen पे जो सामने दिख रहा है वो true north pole है. फिर भी magnetic field line straight तो नहीं जा रही है, ऐसे तो नहीं जा रही है, वो नीचे जा रही है ना?
हाँ.
नीचे या ऊपर जा रही है ना? हाँ.
थोड़ा एक कर्व है और उधर से दिख रहा है. Through the curve.
तो हमारा प्लेन है ना, हम इस प्लेन में हैं. हम इस प्लेन में, ठीक है? तो इधर मैं हूँ, उधर तुम हो. ये मैं नॉर्थ पोल, मैं ट्रू नॉर्थ पोल हूँ, ठीक है? और तुम कोई आदमी हो जो वहां खड़े हो, ठीक है? तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड शुड बी टुवर्ड्स मी, राइट? योर ऐसे होना चाहिए ना?
हाँ.
पर ऐसा है ना इस प्लेन में. इस प्लेन में इट इज लाइक दिस, राइट?
Yeah.
It's like this, no?
Pointing down
ना, ऐसा है ना बच्चे, ऐसा है ना? वही प्लेन वहां दिखाया था जो ब्लैक प्लेन था, ठीक है? जो ब्लैक प्लेन सामने दिखाया था ना. लेकिन अभी जैसे इसने बताया था मोगा ने कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सामने तो नहीं है, वो तो ट्रू तो मैग्नेटिक कहीं और है, वो तो ऐसा है. हाँ, तो ये जो एंगल है ना, जो अमोघा ने स्ट्रेट और इसके बीच में जो एंगल लिया है, स्ट्रेट और इसके बीच में एंगल, हाँ, स्ट्रेट और इसके बीच में जो एंगल है. हाँ, तो एक और नोटबुक रखो जो ऐसे वाला एंगल, जो इसमें और इसके बीच में जो एंगल. अमोघा एक नोटबुक और रखो, ऐसे रखो, जो ऐसे नोटबुक रखो. समझ में आया? जो स्ट्रेट.
कुछ
ये एक तुम्हारे पास रेड कलर का नोटबुक है और एक तुम्हारे पास दूसरा कोई भी कलर ले आओ, कुछ भी बुक ले आओ यार एक.
ठीक है.
हाँ, ये व्हाइट कलर का जो नोटबुक है ना, व्हाइट कलर का, तो व्हाइट कलर के नोटबुक और रेड कलर की नोटबुक में जो एंगल डिफरेंस है, हाँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड
This is declination.
एंगल ऑफ
Declination.
Declination, right? Yeah.
हाँ,
Hmm.
और
Which you can be seen from above.
हाँ, और जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो कैसी जा रही है, वो ऐसी जानी चाहिए, वो स्ट्रेट जानी चाहिए, पर वो जाती ऐसी है क्योंकि वो डिप हो रही है या फिर ऊपर जा रहा है. तो दैट एंगल बिटवीन द हॉरिजॉन्टल दिस एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डिप. ओके okay
Yeah, got it.
yeah, so Amoga,
Yeah.
come back, thanks, come back to your seat and I will
Show
tell
the
you-
diagram.
one second.
Yeah, fine.
Not gonna lie, this was kind of unnecessary. Like, I think I got the concept like much easier with the other time.
Yeah,
और ये अमोगा ये खड़ा था, ठीक है?
Is this the angle of declination?
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted to ask that only. Okay.
And this was me. This was Amoga. The
Adi Sharma.
fake teacher. The real teacher is here. The real
Damn. Adi Sharma is not my teacher. Thank you very much.
RD. Oh, I the real teacher, fake teacher. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे ये बहुत important formula है. Tan phi.
Sir, wait, sir. Just wait, sir. Still copying it, please.
Okay.
So what are the blue dotted lines in that?
वो blue dot line वो plane बना रही है जो अमोगा ने red color की notebook से plane बनाया था.
Oh, okay, fine, yeah, got it.
Sir, here the geomagnetic north is that the north of the what, the Earth magnet, Earth's magnet, or like it? I know I'm confused suddenly.
Which will be the red line in this diagram is the red notebook Amoga plane.
Yeah, right.
And the green line is what me and Amoga line was.
Okay, fine. I understood. Okay.
BH represent angle of dip, right?
BH is the horizontal component of the magnetic field.
Oh, I mean B is the angle of dip.
B phi.
Okay, fine. I'm talking about this. I mean, this is the line.
Net magnetic field at a point.
Yeah, fine.
And the angle between the net and the horizontal is
inclination.
Yeah.
Or dip.
Yeah.
Or
yes. Is the physics teacher of DPS same as the previous year?
Sorry, what?
No.
Okay.
What? Last year was Joseph. This year we have Ragi ma'am.
One character he was.
Bro,
no,
he was
I mean as of last year means the last 12th one.
That depends.
Okay, that depends. Okay. Because the last 12th batch which came to me, when you listen to this concept, उनको पता नहीं क्या-क्या पढ़ा दिया था टीचर ने, कुछ भी random.
It's probably the same what they have taught us now also.
The guys were Abhishek Paradkar batch, Abhishek Paradkar and
what are you talking about?
Neetu Jacob and Shreyas Waha. And
yeah, I've heard of Shreyas. Okay, I've heard the third name.
Okay. And
Paradkar
topped the batch was.
Shreyas Waha.
I have a feeling Shreyas had Joseph sir as a teacher.
Yeah, we have had the consequential development of having him.
So this fellow Mohan, okay, he set me up. We had a new temporary physics.
Hey, I didn't set you up, bro.
Mohan,
I apologize also.
Shut up and let me speak.
Fine.
Yeah, I understand your apology. I'm still gonna bring it up.
तो paramagnetism डाया तो है नहीं, तो चैप्टर खत्म है फिर.
Maybe later.
Susceptibility, para डाया कुछ नहीं. देखने दो पहले. Para, dia, yeah, bro, and ferro, yes. Yes, bro, it is gone.
So we can break for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let go. One second. Just tell me these answers before you go. I think there है कुछ पढ़ाना है, but मैं अभी तुमसे सिर्फ इतना पूछूंगा.
My brain is too much done, sir.
Okay.
Visualizing everything and all.
Just 6th, 7th, 8th. 6, 7, 8. 9th meridian is a plane.
No, wait, no. Sorry. It's passing through. C. 6C.
Yeah, C.
Man. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, passing through. Yeah.
And geomagnetic pole, a magnetic needle allowed to rotate in horizontal. Oh my god, I can't even visualize all that.
So it won't show anything.
So what?
Like if it's a 2D needle, it'll like float, and if it's a 3D needle, it'll go depending on
whether it is going like this or like this.
Yes, sir.
So I think stay in any position or become rigid same movement, right? So I think it should be B, right?
Yes, sir. Because if it's rigid, that means it has a certain direction.
Yeah. Next.
I don't know what you know about that.
0, right?
बहुत गंदा. छी.
Wait, the vertical and horizontal components are the
same.
So there won't be any dip, right?
90 degrees.
90, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
छी. और गंदा.
45.
45, of course. अब horizontal and vertical components are same.
Oh,
it's just a vector. It's just a pure vector question.
अच्छा, एक जो अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन में ना इसको चेंज कर दूं, इसको बोलूं हॉरिजॉन्टल और इसको बोलूं नेट, तब क्या आंसर होगा?
Then it should be 0.
Yeah, my friend, it is 0. Yeah, bro. Everyone got it? Why?
Understood.
That's B cos theta, right? That's right.
ठीक है. Okay. 13th.
Sir.
12th, 13th. 12th and 13th. 14th.
12th so 12th is not 12th. 13th is 0.
It's the angle of big equal to. Yeah. 14th. This is really nice. 14th. I think Aditya Narayan will be able to answer. But,
which question,
but
sir?
Please don't. 14th.
Is it B?
Sir, I can't think, sir. I don't know.
So I got it.
14th, Aditya Narayan, you tell me the answer.
Oh, I'm not sure. Is it the geomagnetic pole, since it's like a flat
Correct.
thing?
Correct.
Hegvi.
Yeah, you explain.
You're taking a flat magnet, like the one in a compass. So if you were to take it and hold it like directly above one of the poles, it won't be able to point anywhere.
Because the magnetic field at the poles is either going up or down. So therefore, there is no horizontal component. Okay. Yes. Everyone. Okay. Okay. So who has not submitted the chemistry yet? Work yet?
I did it. You saw mine, right?
Okay. Yeah. Who has not done it amongst you?
I told you I'll send it by tonight. I said.
Okay. So Arav, you leave. Mohan, you leave. And
sir, I submitted.
Thank you,
Varsha,
sir.
you leave. Okay. Aditya Narayan, have you submitted?
Sir, I submitted on the thing, the Google Classroom thing.
Okay, 1 second.
Submit on WhatsApp.
I told you to submit on WhatsApp, by the way.
Sir, I sent the first.
Appu, you have also submitted. You leave.
So the yesterday one I submitted on WhatsApp. Today's I submitted on Google Classroom.
Okay, leave. Appu, you also leave.
Thank you, sir.
Anushka, have you done?
No, I didn't know I was supposed to do.
Oh, leave. I forget.
So I have doubts. I have doubts in math.
Okay. Adarsh, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Today's?
Yes, sir. Today's.
Okay, leave.
Thank you, sir.
Varsha, have you done today's?
Yes, sir. I submitted on WhatsApp.
Okay. 6:10. Okay. Yes. Leave. Amoga, have you done for today's?
Yeah.
Amoga, yes.
Sir.
Amoga.
Yes.
Amoga. Today, आज का
क्या है?
आज का क्या है? अभी करो बैठ के पता चलेगा. ग्रुप देखो करो.
क्या है? नॉमिनेशन नहीं था ना?
क्या? कल
नॉमिनेशन नहीं था?
क्या बोला?
नॉमिनेशन नहीं था?
नॉमिनेचर नहीं था आज का. अभी करो और सबमिट करो. अभी करो, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
चलो.
फिजिक्स ग्रुप में है. फिजिक्स
ग्रुप में जहाँ पे भी है मुझे नहीं पता. आरव से पूछ लो कि क्या क्या करना था. तुमने कल लिखा भी था एक्चुअली स्क्रीन पे, मुझे याद है. तो अभी तुम बोल रहे हो सब पता नहीं है.
ठीक है, कर लूंगा.
हाँ, वर्षा ने कर दिया. वर्षा यू कैन आल्सो लीव. आदित्य कौन है? आदित्य कौन सा वाला है? आदि है क्या ये? Who Aditya is it? Still on the call. आदि पता नहीं कौन सा. आदित्य नारायण है क्या? बोल ही नहीं रहा है. चलो अनुष्का क्वेश्चंस पूछो तुम अपने.
It's on the students doubt group.
Students doubt group. अरे वो जो वाला था x square fa वाला.
No, not that one.
फिर
It's question number 4.